Hello everyone, welcome to Medium Pool. I'm Duopeng. This video is going to focus on my learning through the whole module. Compare and analyze two group videos finished in this semester, including an educational video for the School of Medicine in Liverpool University and a social video about William Sims tunnels.
This video will mainly analyze my two group videos and the application of 4 theories in teamwork, including Berger's contagious characteristics theory, Ronroe characteristics, teamwork theory, and social network theory. Okay, let's start. In Berger's contagious characteristics theory, the STEPPS framework is crucial, including 6 elements. Principle 1. Social currency. Most people would rather look smart than dumb, so we need to find our inner remarkability and make people feel like insiders. Principle 2. Triggers. We need to design products and ideas that are frequently triggered by the environment and create new triggers by linking our products and ideas to prevalent cues in that environment. Principle 3. Emotion. Naturally contagious content usually evokes some sort of emotion, so we need to pick the right emotions to evoke. Principle 4. Public. Making things more observable makes them easier to imitate, which makes them more likely to become popular. Principle 5. Practical value. We need to package knowledge and expertise so that people can easily pass it on. Principle 6. Stories. We need to make our message so integral to the narrative that people can't tell the story without it. This educational video for the School of Medicine could be contagious. For every characteristic, the video has satisfied. For social currency, the behavior of the character could be fine, and in this part, the student doctor is showing professional clinical skills. These two shots meet the social currency. For trigger, the views of this student doctor could be a sign that this goal is in relation to clinical area, so the clinical student and this view can be the trigger. The blue t-shirt and the clinical machines trigger audience to believe the visitor is truly in the clinical school. The practical value of this video is great, because this video helps those who are interested in clinical skills and who want to learn in the school. For information, we use the green as a background color in some shots, which show the formal, peaceful, and a learning attitude. For public, the public should be familiar with CPR, and all audience could learn by the video. For practical value, the video has packaged clinical skills, and the audience could control them easily. For stories, my teammate played a role as a visitor, and she told in the beginning that she would meet the student doctor and visit the School of Medicine. Compared with the first video, the second group video about William Sims tunnels is more contagious. For social currency, the filming and the editing way of this video are based on a game environment. The character is trying to exploring the tunnels and finish the game. This filming way could make the video more entertaining and attract more audience than the first educational video, because it is not a simple introduction of the tunnels. It is more like an invented game. But the similar limitation of these two videos is only few people pay attention to these topics. Audience may not feel like insiders. For trigger, there are plenty of triggers in this video. All elements in the video lead to an impression of the invented game, including the title with the fantastic color, the game start in the beginning and the mission completed in the end, the icon of a progress bar through the video, and the task list for the character. For emotion, we used lots of outstanding color as the background color, such as blue, purple, and red, which could show the entertaining emotion. Moreover, the expression of the character and the lively background music could show the excited and positive emotion. For public, during the exploring, the game symbols increase the familiarity of most young audience. An audience may have an interest to be a volunteer of Turnos, like the character in the video. For practical value, the video helps audience in two ways. The first way is helping those who are interested in Williamson's Turnos to watch more details in Turnos. The second one is showing the way to be a volunteer of Williamson's Turnos. For story, there is a character in the video. She would explore the Turnos and the aim would be becoming a volunteer. During this year, the Berger's contagious characteristics can be useful to me because the serial could be a kind of filming and editing rule for me. Following this standard, I have been gradually controlling the mindset to produce a viral video. However, the STEPPS serial could be more comprehensive. I have a suggestion that new information could be added. A popular video with high user engagement should include the new contents that haven't been displayed by others and should be new for the present social environment. If a video is produced totally following the STEPPS, but the content doesn't meet the new information I proposed, the video may not be a successful viral video. Based on the analysis above, although the second video for Turnos is more contagious than the first video for school, the basic reason is the different genre of two videos. For the first video for the School of Medicine, the genre could be the educational genre. From that video, the audience could learn the clinical skill of venipuncture and CPR shown by the student doctor, and it can help clinical students or those who are interested in clinical skills to combine the theory on textbooks and this actual operation. What's more, the video also introduced some medical machines and models, which can be useful for audience especially who are in clinical area. This video meets the condition of educational genre. For the second video for Williamson's Turnos, its genre belongs to society genre. As the title of this video, that is, Who Wants to Be a Volunteer? The content of the video is based on the volunteer organization of Williamson's Turnos. The theme of a social voluntary organization indicates the society genre, so the results and the feedback of a video may be mainly influenced by the genre. Comparing these two videos with two genres, the first educational video is formal academic, convincing, and the lecture style rather than talking style. The second social video is entertaining and creative. For the social media promotion, we choose Facebook, Instagram, Sina Weibo, Twitter, and WeChat. The reason to choose this social media is 4 members in our group are Chinese, and the Chinese members' ties can be more useful on Chinese social networks. So we also choose Weibo and WeChat, which can be the application of Granovitis ties theory. Before the promotion, we considered the social media plan for audience analysis. The first video was aimed at clinical students, people who want to learn clinical skills and who want to learn in their school. The second video was aimed at the people who are interested in Williamson's tunnels and who want to be the volunteer. Comparing 2 videos' data of user engagement on YouTube, it is obvious that the first video is better than the second video, and even the first video got 2 double views than the second video. Maybe one of the reasons is the first video is about Liverpool University, and the students in Liverpool University who are the main part of our group's ties could pay more attention to their own school than the strange Williamson's tunnels. During producing these 2 group videos, teamwork could be the most significant to the final production, and the leadership of each team member could be important to finish the teamwork. This is the Tuckman's 4-stage model, analyzing the process of teamwork status. The process he proposed is forming, storming, norming, and performing. To analyze our group, I will take the first video we made as an example. To smoothly start the filming of the first group project, my group proposed to have a meeting to discuss 2 filming themes for 2 pitches. This meeting shows the forming of our group. After all members proposed different ideas, we decided to make 2 pitches, including one about CPR, which is a clinical skill, and the other that is about introducing the School of Medicine in Liverpool University. Although not all members was active and some silent time appeared, the development of our first teamwork could be successful. One member realized that everyone should participate in the teamwork, so she kept asking others ideas, and this could be our group's second level, storming. Then, one time we had the discussion in class, and the aim of that discussion was to decide our tasks that we would do separately, including borrowing the filming machine, being character, being photographer, and editing. Each team member proposed the suggestion and assumed some task, which indicate we step in the third level, norming. At last, when we conducted the filming in School of Medicine, all members did works, distributed, and gave suggestions to the shooting background and the performance of the character. Finally, we achieved the final step, performing. Actually, a great teamwork can't leave the leadership of each group member. To be honest, I didn't have a good leadership through the group videos, but I could be a qualified teammate. Goldman proposed the 5 leadership styles, which are directive, visionary, affiliative, participative, piece setting, and coaching. I finished the work I should do, but I didn't organize the production and the task allocation, which shows I am lack of directive and coaching style. However, I have affiliative and participative style. I was used to asking others suggestions, and I kept a peaceful attitude to my all teammates. Our editing of second video is better than the first video, because through the whole semester's teamwork, all members' leadership were improved. In this situation, we gave various suggestions to the second video's editing, which caused a better production. From this teamwork experience, I realized that a good leader should encourage everyone to be a leader. Once everyone in a group has leadership, all members can be responsible for the whole teamwork rather than only their own work, which could lead to a better result. Through this experience of teamwork, I have been more positive to cooperate with teammates and more outgoing, because I realized that cooperation could be more efficient than working separately, and communicating positively could cause a better production. Through the learning and practice of this module, my understanding and skills of our video have been improved. The theories I think are important for me is contagious characteristics, media promotion theory, and leadership theory. Due to the editing of my videos, I have basically controlled the use of camera and editing software such as Final Cut and iMovie. I have practiced producing videos with kinds of genre, including education, society, and culture. Through this experience, I began to be interested in producing video, and among the genre I learned and practiced, the travel vlog attracted me most.
So I decided to film more vlogs after my graduation and to be a vlogger. To make vlogger as my career and achieve this goal, I will thoroughly learn Final Cut and watch more successful vlogs. In the end, I would like to say thank you to my professor, to this module, and my teammates. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.